Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to use a single name on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can use one name on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if video happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, search for VPN lite. So just search for VPN lite over here, and once you search for VPN lite, I will recommend this one. Now download this VPN lite, and once you download VPN lite over here, if it is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So you need to make sure you update this particular VPN. Now once you have updated VPN lite, just go back and open VPN lite over here. So search for VPN lite, this application. Now this is the application. Go ahead and open this application, and once you open, you can see quick connect. Click on quick connect, and once you click on that, you can see it is loading for the servers. So just wait as it is loading for the servers and scroll. So just wait as it is loading over here. So just scroll to the one that I'm about to show you. So scroll to Indonesia server. So you can see Indonesia over here. So just wait as it is loading, and you can see Jakarta one. So select the first one, which is Jakarta, and make sure you are connected to this particular VPN, and you can see connect. Click on connect, and you can see connected. Now once you are connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to go and open your Facebook. If your Facebook is not updated, please open Facebook and update your Facebook application. So please, if you are using iOS, you can log into your account on Android device and do this over here. So update your Facebook as well. And once you have updated your Facebook to the latest version, open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, at the top right corner you can see your menu over here. Now once you click on menu, click on settings at the top right corner, and once you click on settings, you can see more in account center. Click on this see more in account center over here, and then you can see profiles. Click on profiles. Now click on the name, and you can see name over here. Click on name. Now once you click on name, for the first one, enter the name that you want to use. You can see Freeman, use it. And then for the last name over here, you can choose to enter a space bar, and or you can repeat the same first name. So you can see first name. For the first name, enter the single name you want to use, and then the last name you can enter a space bar or repeat same. And with this, by using the VPN, you can use a single name on your profile, because I'm using a single name over here already. So you can check my profile that I'm using Freeman as my single name. You can see I'm using a single name already over here. So with this, you can easily use a single name on your Facebook account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new